one look like bagel? Yeah.
Bagel, what?
Hmm?
I get what? Bagel wrap and then pumpkin spice.
Okay. Good morning. Can I get 2 medium pumpkin spice ice cap?
2 medium pumpkin spice ice cap,
Yes, and I'll take 2 sausage farmers wrap.
2 sausage farmer's wrap. Just give me a moment. Is this a combo with the hash brown?
No.
Any donuts muffin for today?
No, but I'll take 2 cinnamon raisin bagel toasted with butter.
2 cinnamon raisin toasted with butter. What else?
That's it. And I'll take 2 separate bags, please.
Sorry.
And I'll take it in 2 separate bags, please.
Sure, 2 separate bags.
Yes. Hungry days.
Good morning, Malia. Yes, it is. Birthday. We are teams. Morning, Malika. Good morning. You guys not saying good morning? It's okay.
Guys, in case you don't know, Tim Hortons is the national breakfast of Canada, right? For the average income earner. If you're in the upper echelons of society, you probably go to Starbucks. But Tim Hortons is Canadian national breakfast.
And 45 cents.
And debit?
Cinnamon raisin, right?
Yes.
No?
Thank you, thank you. I wanted it in 2 separate bags though.
Oh.
They did say that. Feels good to be early one morning.
Yes, it does. Good.
Eh?
It's
Not fries, Malia. Oh, Malia wants her fries. I should have gotten wedges for her. Yeah, I have to give her a bagel. Yeah. It's Friday, yay! Friday, Saturday, what?
Thank you. It's bagel.
Yes, babes, it's Friday.
It's Friday.
Favorite day of the week?
Yep. It's not hot.
Man, I'm so happy it's the
It's not.
weekend.
You don't want it? You don't like the bagel? Mommy don't really like this one either.
Can I get a piece?
Taste it.
Wanted.
You like bird or something.
They're kind of dry.
I still.
Did I give you a try for this? Yeah. It's gonna be a good day, baby.
It's going to be a good day. It's gonna be a good day.
Absolutely. That goes for you too, guys. It's gonna be a good day. Beautiful Friday morning. Temperature is falling rapidly. It's definitely fall.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Yeah.
It's +5. A little bit chilly this morning. That's early for once.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, so the other day I did my 4-year review. Being in Canada for 4 years. Today makes it exactly 4 years since Nats landed in Grand Prairie. Now, if you guys don't know, I landed a couple days before her. She landed in Canada on the 7th of September. But she landed in Grand Prairie on the 8th of September, which is today, 4 years ago. Now you're here driving to work, babes. Fully integrated.
Yes.
What has it been like for you?
It has, over the past 4 years, has been a roller coaster. We have good days, bad days. A lot of challenges, lots of new experience. So yeah, it has been good.
What would you say is one of the biggest challenge you had encountered over 4 years?
Over 4 years. My biggest challenge was COVID. So I got laid off my 2 jobs, same day, or 2 days apart.
2 days apart.
Yes, so that was like shocker. But it wasn't Canada itself, it was the time. Everywhere was experiencing COVID. So I think everybody had that same experience.
Similar experience, yeah. Okay, if you could go back 4 years ago, just landing in Grand Prairie, knowing your situation, limited funds, you know the works. You guys are supposed to know the journey already. If you don't know, go and check it out. If you could go back in time and that Natasha 4 years ago, what would you say to that person?
I would say focus on gaining more experience in office jobs. Try to focus or try to get more jobs in those areas. I will tell myself that everything is going to be okay with limited funds. Everything is going to work out, right? So that is what I will tell myself.
Yeah.
Everything will work out.
Everything will be worked out.
Yeah.
So I got a couple more questions for you. Cause you're early, you can spend some time with us before you run back to the office. Now, somebody who is just coming to Canada, it comes with a lot of anxiety, right? And it comes with a lot of fear of the unknown, right? What key tip would you give that person that you think would be beneficial to them being successful in Canada?
Unlearn what you know from Jamaica. That's the first thing.
Assuming you're from Jamaica.
Yeah, assuming you're from Jamaica. Unlearn what you know and try to learn the system here. It's different from what is back home, your home country. So just unlearn a little. Don't fully unlearn, but just unlearn a little. Try to build network as fast as possible. Try to make connections with persons who have been here before, who can show you how things are done. Also try to, that's basically it. I think those 2 things will make you successful.
And what mistakes do you think you have made that if you could have done it differently, you would have done it differently?
Mistakes since being here?
Yeah.
Not seeking different job opportunities. I think if I was really seeking job opportunities, I would have gotten it. Not just focusing like, oh, I get this job, just stick to this job.
Cheers, guys. I'll share my pumpkin spice ice
Not
cap
just
with you
stick to
guys
one
today.
job for like a period, because I was in one job for 1 year and stuff. Basically sticking to that job, and I knew where I wanted to be. But that's what But I stuck to one job. And thinking about money and all of that. While I was here, I should have basically looked for different jobs. So don't settle. Not because you're paying the bills and all of that and everything is kind of functioning a little bit. Don't settle.
Let's switch the angle a little bit, guys. So 100% I second what Nats just said in terms of mistakes and things to do differently. But what I want to also add is that if you're new to Canada, it's the land of opportunity. You become what you want to become. You shape your future, you shape your outcome. If you have to get qualified in a relevant field, if that's what you want to do, go and do it. You can become anything that you want to become, right? There's no perfect society though. Yeah, this body. There's no perfect society though. So you have to be willing to go through some struggles as well. in order to get to where you want to get to. Anyways, babes, have a good day.
Egg.
It's Friday.
It's not it's egg.
Oh, yeah. So it's coming to the ending of your first week in school. We didn't even talk about that. Transitioning back to school, what has that been like?
To be honest, guys, it was overwhelming at first. Yes, the first day it was overwhelming, but no, I think I'll be okay.
You'll be okay?
I'll be okay.
Yeah. So you're filtering in, you know, you understand the thing. Okay. Anyways, have a good day.
Thank you.
And it's gonna be a great day.
It is gonna be a great day.
Yes, guys. So I've dropped off nuts, as you guys just saw, and I've taken Malia today home. And I'm at Malika's school, just waiting on the bell to go off so I can take her in. Now let's talk a little bit about Malika's schooling and what that is like, right? So if you guys are new to the channel, Malika is our 6-year-old daughter who is non-verbal autistic, and she depends 100% on us, our parents, to do more every or all of our daily needs, right? So bathing, changing, feeding, all of those stuff, she's unable to do it on her own, so we have to do it for her, right? So now she's in grade 1. Many of you guys might be wondering, what does it look like for her? What is the school support like? And also, what does her curriculum look like? So let's talk a little bit about that. So Malika has been going to this school for 3 years now, right? She started in what was called the PUF program, which is a program for special needs kids. We can start from 3 years old in an effort to, you know, get them integrated in the school system by the time that they're actually ready to start kindergarten at 5 years old. So Malika is well known within the school, and everyone pretty much knows her. Between 3 to 4, it was PUF program. Then she went into pre-K, which is still a part of the PUF program, and then she went into kindergarten last year. Kindergarten would be the equivalent of Jamaica Basic School, right? So that would be the equivalent of kindergarten, and now she is in grade 1. Now, the first things first is she has 2 what is called EAs, which is educational assistant. So these 2 persons are assigned predominantly to Malika, and they are responsible to taking care of her daily needs at school. So feeding, changing, all of the above. They are responsible for that, and then they're also responsible to have tailored curriculum for her. So her teaching and her learning and curriculum is a little bit different than what the other kids would typically do. So she has her own milestone, her own what we call goals and developmental plan that the school has been really great in supporting towards, right? Now in the school she also has access to programs like speech therapists, occupational therapists, and physiotherapists. Now these are programs that is a part of the school system, so she get access to those while she's at school, which is very, very good. Those programs actually help her out a lot. So typically what they try to do is to get her integrated with the neurotypical kids, so that she can learn, build her social skills, and also eventually learn to do tasks on her own and stuff like that. Now, how much do we pay? Luckily we don't pay anything for any of these services while she's in school, because schooling in Canada is free up to tertiary level, up to all the way up to secondary level, sorry. Tertiary you have to pay, right? But these programs have been really, really helpful, and we have been seeing a lot of improvements in Malika. Malika, are you ready for school? She ain't gonna answer me. You guys know how it is. We've been seeing a lot of improvements with Malika since she started school, and we are just really happy and excited that we don't have to isolate her, in other words, because if she was in Jamaica still, she would not have been able to be integrated into the regular school system. We'd have to send her to some form of special school, especially because she's non-verbal and they don't have the support in order to have somebody change them and feed them and stuff like that all the way up to grade 1. So the public school system in Jamaica, you wouldn't have access to this. So this is just one of the many reasons why we have decided to migrate to Canada, so that we can get access to resources like these, because if we were still in Jamaica, we would have to be paying for all of these things privately. and then she would not have had the support and the development that she needs in order to strive and to self-actualize to her best potential, right? So yeah, we're just really happy. So if you are in Canada, or if you are thinking of coming to Canada and you have a child with special needs, Alberta is widely regarded as one of the provinces that is known predominantly for being very acceptance of kids with special needs and people with special needs in general. There are tons of programs. There's tons of programs that families get access to. There's tons of resources. There's tons of communities that you can join that support and also provide help, guidelines, all of the above, for you and for your kids, right? So that's something that we find very interesting and something that we really appreciate. So again, if you are thinking of migrating, think of Alberta. Now, I'm sure other provinces do have support as well, but Alberta is regarded as one of the best provinces for people with special needs, and for us that was very important. All right, so yeah, let's go and see if the door is open now, guys. Malika, oh, that's the bell. That's the bell. Let's go. Let's go. Yes guys, so the entire gang is back together. It's the same day, but it's now in the evening. Malika is super fussy. Malika, say hi. She had a long day at school today and plus reach home it. And look at this little one down here. We're about to go into the store, see if we can get some Jamaican stuff, guys. So come along. Malika is fussy. Come, Malia. Come, Mama. What's in here, guys? You have your tropical rhythm. Should I pick up Alaska? Come, Malia. Put this in the basket. Put it in the basket. Thank you.
No.
Come on. Shirley biscuit. Not gonna work, babes. There is no yam, no Jamaican yam, no green banana. So my menu is officially not gonna work. Oh man, guys, I was looking to make some soup tonight, but there is, what is that Malia picked up? What is that Malia picked up? Come. Grace condensed milk?
Yeah.
Want to
Chinese
bet a
in
Betty
funny. What's your Chinese rate in the funny?
with Grace. You saw them done? The sister. So I thought Grace is not really unique to Jamaica then. Made in Canada. This big jar of formula. Do you think this would make more sense rather than buying the small one? And at $85, especially that. Good, Malia. She's wasting it right now.
You're buying broad bean and
Malia shopping.
Malia, put it back. We don't eat so much.
Hello.
We don't eat so much, Malia.
Yam flour. Come, Malia J. Yeah, might as well just go today.
Come on.
How about I want the last girl? Should I leave it? Because we don't want nothing. I don't have any stuff. So I can just go to Superstore and yeah, the Jamaican brownie. What's that? Yeah, about that. We have all of that.
No, that's okay.
Come on.
That's it. We leaving it?
Yeah, we're leaving it. But today is Friday. No Jamaican stuff came in this week. I mean, well, everything's fine. No Jamaican stuff today. No yams, no nothing. Okay, thank you. Yeah, let's go to Superstore. Where did we see breadfruit that one time? That was in... Yeah. It's a beautiful day in Grand Prairie, Alberta. What's up, Ips? Print and scanner, it's not that bad. Come on, man.
That's it. All done.
Did you eat chips at school today, Malika? Huh? Come. Come, you're blocking, you're blocking. Oh, you guys can go ahead. Millions of dollars people are paying for that too. I don't think so. I shoot a flash one, but you know a tripper. Malia, you taking a blistering? Come, we're looking for diaper. Come, Malia. Is she still in 2T, 3T, or 3T, 4T? 3T, 4T?
Mickey. Mini.
That's 66 to 26. Well, 92 for 43. Yes, mommy?
So you have this. You have this.
Well, it's a 3T, 4T.
Oh, should you up?
I think so. Can't remember. No, you're still at 2T, 3T? That's 74. You're not that far off, though.
All the time.
Perfect timing.
Choose time.
Okay. I'll take up the 66 one. We used to go to the shop to buy one diaper every day. Malia, hey. Malika. Guys, I'm so happy it's Friday. It's been such a long week this week, guys. So much pressure this week at work. I have not been able to do much. The Andersons work. So if you guys have been trying to connect with me, I do apologize, guys. It's just been a very, very crazy week. I'm so happy it's the weekend. Now I can get back to what's really important, you, my family. Alright, guys. If you have made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed already, please just take a second, hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the video, guys, and drop a comment. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next video.